Hello there, let's jump into making the ultimate snack fortress. Because clearly, the world needed a colorful way to separate chips from regretful raisin, shaping the base. First, the base. This is where the magic happens. Without a solid foundation, this isn't a snack organizer. It's a snack apocalypse. Imagine your M&Ms and peanuts staging a hostile takeover of your table. Creating the dividers. Now, for the dividers, because some snacks just don't vibe together. Ever put cookies next to pickles? Yeah, me neither. But I'm not risking it. These dividers are like the bounces of snack society. Coloring. Alright, time to slap some colors on this bad boy. Bright and bold. Like it's yelling, you're snacking wrong if you're not using me. Seriously. Who knew food separation could look this festive? It's like a rave in Tupperware form. And there it is, folks, the snack organizer of your dreams. Functional, fabulous, and ready to keep your snacks from throwing a tantrum. You're welcome. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, hit that like button, or I'll divide your snacks myself, and I can't promise they'll survive. Subscribe for more snack-related chaos. See you next time.